Hey there, and welcome back. Today I'm sharing my trip to the Atlantic Rummage Sale in Far Hills, New Jersey. I filmed it last spring, and because their fall event is coming up this weekend, I thought you'd like to know what you can expect if you plan on attending. Hopefully the weather will be better for you than it was for us. Let's get into it. As you can see, we parked in a field and then walked towards a tented area. Upon entering, you are given a map and it will help you navigate the sale. This is the one they gave us, so you would make your way to whatever area interests you, and then you're going to stand in line to get into that area. They sort of let people in groups so that no area gets overcrowded. It reduces the sort of frenzy that sometimes happens at thrift stores and flea markets. The booths that I was most interested in were, of course, home goods, furniture, and the fine arts and collectibles tent, as well as vintage clothing, art, and housewares. Even though we were there on the last day, there was still a fair amount of inventory. You may find vintage home goods in the regular home goods tent, but overall the inventory and the event itself as a whole is very organized. They also have restrooms and a food truck run by the volunteer firefighters. As for dogs, while I saw dogs there, they were not allowed in the tents. There are a range of prices depending on what you're interested in. Since we were there on the last day of the event, they were reducing prices even further. For example, while items in the home goods section had prices on them, they were allowing you to group items for a reduced rate. So instead of buying one thing for $5, it was like you can get 3 things for $5. In the furniture tent, everything was half off. The fine art and collectibles section was the one with the longest line and the highest prices, which is to be expected. Overall, I would say the prices were affordable and comparable to thrift store prices. Proceeds go to Atlantic Visiting Nurses, which provides home care, hospice care, and adult daycare to the community. So if you're feeling like something may cost more than you would like to spend, think of how your purchase is going to help people in your community while keeping secondhand items out of the landfill. The Fall 2025 Atlantic Rummage Sale will start on Friday, October 3rd at 9:30 a.m. and it will wrap on Sunday, October 5th. The hours are shorter on Sunday in case you're planning a visit. They have a website with more information. Check it out for additional details regarding parking, location, and more. Some tips and tricks for the Atlantic Rummage Sale. First, if you love vintage, go on Friday if you can. Most of the vintage stuff was gone by Sunday. I chatted with a woman in line and her tip was to go every day to get the best stuff and the best deals. Second, dress for the weather, walking, and standing in line. Third, and you know this if you thrift and go to flea markets, yard sales, and the like, bring a baby or antibacterial wipes. Fourth, bring cash. Always bring cash. Fifth, bring a bag rather than a cart. Did you notice how muddy it was? I wouldn't want to be pulling a cart through that, and some aisles would be too tight to get the cart through. Sixth, have fun and be patient. You'll get your turn. If you do this regularly, you know there's always more stuff. If someone swoops you, it just wasn't meant to be. I don't have a haul from the Atlantic Rummage Sale. I did buy something, but I believe one of you guys purchased it from my Poshmark before I finished uploading this footage. So she's already at her new home. If you liked this video, give it a like, and for more content like this, subscribe and turn on all of your notifications so that you know when I drop a new video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!